Hey, good morning, chasers. It's Bobby B here. I got Dong in the back of the boat. All right, change of view. We're not going for stripers today. We're going for some largemouth bass. We are at Eastman Lake. Haven't been out here in a minute. And, see how we do. This lake is known for some really big bass. I think the keeper size here for a bass is one bass. And it's bigger than 22 inches. So, there should be some monsters in here. Water levels are really, really low. So during this, this time of our drought, we've lost a lot of water in this place. So a lot of these fish did die, but people are still picking up on some big ones. So let's see if we can hook up, guys. This is our journey here at Eastman Lake. Check it out. Bam! There's like, oh shit. And Dong has gone to just trying to get the skunk out to, we picked up some live worms. So he wants to grab some bluegill or something just to get the skunk out. We haven't been here that long, but still, I guess he wants to not get skunked, so he's gonna get something. And it's not even working right now, but Dong, I did see fish in there, so let's see. I don't know, see what we can do.
Oh, son of a...
Oh,
nice. Right on that tree.
I know. Guys, man, there's no in and out on the way home. Bless you. Damn. You okay? Got it? Yeah.
No. Oh my God! I pulled back too. You heard my grab?
Yep. Oh well, feels good though.
Oh, never mind. I did get it.
Oh, he swam to you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no,
skunk! No skunk!
I told you I caught.
No,
I told you I caught a fish with this lure before. Let's see,
it's not a dink.
Oh, look. All right, drink up. Bobby.
Lights on. Slow leader. Anyways, all right, guys, we got one action so far. Nothing else after. No bite, no nibbles. We're trying to use some crankbaits and going really deep. We're up at the dam, covered up. Nada, guys. Water's, I don't know, wind picked up for a little bit. That's when we did kind of probably catch, I think. I don't know. But pretty quiet. I hope I can get one soon. There's only 3 boats out here. Not a lot of people, I guess, want to fish this lake right now. It's too low. But there are monsters in here. There are. And I spent most of the morning trying to figure out how to use perspective mode, so kind of wasted some of that time. But let's see if we can still get on them. Let's see. We still got plenty of morning time. I'm hitting stuff down there.
What?
It's only 9 feet deep. But I'm marking fish though.
Oh, you did.
Got it?
Yep.
This guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Ned rig.
Ned rig. That's like my favorite too. But
Oh, you.
woo!
Oh,
That's a good one. Yeah. Yeah. It's still in and out for me, but good job, dog. Look at that. Dang. That's a good one, dude. That's a nice one. Little fatty.
Yeah, Birdie got him too. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh, this gets what? 2 pounder?
Yep. Freaking dong is going. It's catching them. Not me. It's a good thing, guys. This ain't no tournament because we'd be losing. Just.
No, first one definitely can't weigh that one.
Just, yep. Couldn't weigh the first one. I don't know. Yeah. Seriously, dude.
You stuck right?
Yeah, but not in a, not like a tree. I mean, not in a rock, but in a damn tree. But this is what they mean about doing your homework, putting the work in on the lake. We haven't been here for a year, and then even a year ago, it was only like once. Don came out here once, but you know, he played around, brought his boy out, right? You guys played around, got catfish and bluegills, and I think that's what we're gonna have to do to get the skunk out, if we can mark those and get on them, just for fun. We'll see what happens, man. That'll be an exciting time. Yeah.
I just dragged the bottom.
This guy. That's 3. That's 3 for him. 0 for me. Yeah. You've caught on everything, dude. Not everything, but I mean, you've caught 3 different things. Look at that. Hey, so, is there ever a time when you're fishing with somebody and they just keep catching all the fish, and when they hook up, you're like, please just fall off? Almost there, Don. If I was giving someone advice, all right, wasn't out here, you know what I would be saying? You should use a square bill or a chatterbait. I don't know why I'm not doing that. I'm gonna do that. Something splashed. Tree. Ah. No.
Oh, you're almost out. You're almost out. You're almost out. You're almost out. You can reach and grab it.
Yeah, I can't reach and grab that.
Grab it. Go for it. Okay, go for it. Go for it.
Okay. No more overboard videos, dude.
Here, double right there.
Right here.
Double net it.
Oh, ow!
Double net it.
Ow!
Oh, damn, move! Oh, no! No, you're not.
That 3 pounder beat me. But I was able to get in and get it. And no overboard video. Kind of day, man. Kind of day. So is it worth it? Let's say you go out fishing for about 5 or 6 hours, you catch nothing, and then at the last minute you catch a 10-pounder. Is that good enough? Will you be happy? Heck yeah. It'll be like one of the greatest days fishing. Finally something, huh? Jeez. You didn't net? You didn't net? So I don't lose it?
Oh, this is a good one too.
It's a striper.
Yo, man. Oh shit.
Woo! Finally! No skunk, no in and out. I got one. And it came off. Woo! I almost threw this out. Jeez. All right. Oh, little lardy. There you go. Finally, all that work just for this. All day to chase for one. Feels so good. Better than a tree pounder.
You took your own advice and...
Uh-huh. That's right. You see, I was using everything that felt comfortable, but if someone was out here in these spots, I would have said use a chatterbait or use a square bill in these spots that we're at where it's shallow and just makes more sense, where the water's kind of stained and more water displacement. Oh, Think smart. All right, thank you, guy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, bye-bye. All right, it's been pretty dead. We actually came on a school of fish, and and they were not carp. They were actually up and down. I even threw the spook, and that seemed to get them to kind of like come up off the ground. But you know what? It's probably trout, and we're not using stuff for trout, so we moved off of that. And now, you know what? We moved over. It's getting hot, so let's see if we can go ahead and get some some bluegill and catfish. This guy, we got stuck though.
There's the cast.
The hook's gone?
Yep. Yeah.
Look at this guy. Yeah. Woo.
Dude, this is a big one. Pretty good size bluegill, man. Dude, hell,
Look at that. I took a picture since this guy.
Look at that.
Bluegills? That one?
Something.
A tree? Yeah, carp. Yeah, look at that, this guy. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, man, ultralight gear, boy. Look at that. Oh, a monster.
Look at that jump.
You're a monster. Oh,
Fine.
ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah.
Ned rig. But it's in trees though. Fuck. He's stuck on a tree, dude.
Shit, I think. Oh, yeah, I can see it. He's around a fucking branch. Here, Bob. Yeah, it's a fish. Yeah.
What happened, man? Fishing these things and got stuck in a tree.
Yeah, he's still in the
Oh,
tree.
damn, that tree right there.
Right here, no, he's right there.
It's right here though.
No, he's right here.
Watch, my line's on that other tree though. He's on 2 trees.
Oh, he's out. He's out.
Come on. Yeah.
He's out.
Got him out. Woo! Good fight. Because you got me on a tree pounder. Yeah. Look at that. Woohoo! Ah. All right. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. Yeah. Look at that one right there. Finally, huh? Woo. All right. Here we go. Bye-bye.
Yeah, big ass one. Yeah, big ass one.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh shit. Ooh, that wind came out of nowhere, dude. Look at this guy. Grow up, right? Grow up. Here you go, buddy. Strong, little feisty ones. What's up, guys? What's up, chasers? We're done at Eastman Lake today. We got on some largemouth. Dong, you happy with it?
Yep.
Any day chasing's a good day. So any day chasing's a good day, guys. We had a good time out here. Wind's picking up. It's quite hot out here, man. I'm telling you, I came out with a sweater thinking it'd be cool. It is hot, you know, taking off layers and everything you see through the show. I had that chaser sweater on. Now we're in this. So Eastman Lake, it's not on fire like last time. Literally, last time we came out here, it was on fire. It was on fire. But the water level's cool. It's kind of safe to go through. We're not going to jam through this or anything. You know, it's got lots more to go. But the fish are here. You have to find them. And I believe there's a lot of trout still here suspended and going around. Lots of carp jumping. The bass, well, kind of, we always found bass around cover, and it didn't have to be deep. In fact, most of the fish we caught were areas that were pretty shallow, man. And even though it's hot right now, they were there. We're thinking that they might not be. Wasn't the greatest of day. It's our first time out here in over a year. So that's something that you guys got to know. You know, you can get out to the lake, you can watch all these videos and find as many as you can. And for lakes like these, it's hard to get reports. I mean, I tried to look to see what was going on. Didn't really get anything. So hopefully you can use this one. This is May. It's not like.
Friday the 13th.
See, that's what it is. Friday the 13th, man. It's here. You'll catch fish. It's a good time chasing. You got to go look for them. You got to do your work. And to get good at this lake, man, you got to come out here. I believe the river rat tournament that happened last week, someone told me that the winning weight was 14 pounds. We weren't close to that. I mean, if you counted our fish, we might have been at 10 pounds. All right, guys, so that's it, man. We're out here chasing. Wasn't the most epic day, but any day you can chase is a good day, man. We'll see you guys later.